We are Cooking Society. Yay!
Yay! Can we say that with the three of us? Is there a possibility for that?
Yeah.
We are Cooking Society. Yay! Throughout the semester, we do wacky events every 2 weeks, and the other 2 weeks we do actually useful instructionals where we try to teach people how to cook.
Yeah, I mean, in the past, we've done events such as the Ratatouille Challenge, where we made spring rolls blindfolded. On Monday, we did a spicy vodka challenge, where we taught people how to cook some pasta. And next week, we've planned a mocktail cocktail event. You know, that's pretty much what we got going on.
We have some collaborations with other boards coming up as well. We're gonna have our Litra collaboration, in which we bake cookies and read books because midterms are stressful. And then we have our TR collaboration, which will make a cookbook, which is going to be really exciting.
You know, like, we're really serious about cooking.
Yeah.
It's really our passion.
We're also really good at it. So,
you know, like.
Too bad.
God damn it.
We have to clean this.
I think a big goal of ours is to teach, especially new students, how to cook, because.
It seems like you guys really know what you're doing.
Yeah, I mean.
We are professionals.
We all went to culinary school at some point.
Yay! You can cut the video there.